Our mission at Qualifacts is to enhance the well-being of individuals and communities through innovative software and data solutions that elevate the standard of care. For 25 years, we've proudly served as the foremost technology partner in the behavioral health and human services sector, empowering organizations to transform lives.
We're in an industry that really is about helping people out in our communities. And although we are a technology provider, our technology does more than just provide features and functions. It really helps with the workflow of clinicians and their ability to help patients and help their consumers out there in markets. And that's really at the core of our culture at Qualifacts.
There's never been more need, and we're seeing that need kind of growing and rising regularly. And access is really important. There are a lot of folks out there that don't know where to go, what to do. So continually challenging ourselves to find more ways to engage community and create access for individuals in need is definitely one of our priorities.
Behavioral tech impacts the mission because really the client experience and the provider experience starts in the EHR. So efficient workflows, being really intuitive with how we collect our data and our processes improves that client outcomes, the customer experience, access to care, quality outcomes. All of that is going to start within the EHR.
Qualifact has helped us to streamline a lot of our process and be able to sign releases and consents in 5 minutes instead of 45 minutes. There's an accessibility part to that helps clients receive the services that they need.
When I think about the future of our organization, I want to stay with Qualifacts because it's customization. It's just so ingrained into what we do and what we know.
The problem with those large platforms is that they're not configurable to our needs. And because of all those state mandates and all the changing requirements around reporting, and we have to be able to move quickly. And Credible allows us to do that.
We've been Qualifacts customers for over 8 years now. It's grown with us. When we were not as tech savvy and data driven, we had CareLogic and it was allowing us to meet our needs. And then as we evolved over the years, CareLogic and all of its new features evolved with us.
The thing I love most about working with Qualifacts is the relationship I have with our BI guru. He supports us, he challenges us. We challenge him, and so we've come up with some really great reporting aspects to help simplify our clinical workflows and our administrative workflows, and so those pieces have been instrumental in our success as an agency.
I can go through individual files quick, easy, and accurately. I can even add new files without any difficulty. And again, I can't say enough about the documentation part. It's a real lifesaver.
It allows us to bring information from different areas of the client record into one common communication tool. We document our collaborative care planning between our services within the tool there, and we're able to look at that data and see when was the last time there was a collaborative care meeting. Are they due to have an interdisciplinary larger meeting where we're looking at all of the resources that are being utilized with this client and how is that affecting their status and their journey through recovery.
I think about how we're able to access information related to integrated care. It's important that we have a solid source of truth for that information. That's going to have significant impacts on your ability to be sure that is the right piece of data.
With Qualifacts, we're ready to grow and be more innovative, and being able to have a system that helps us to do that as we are thinking of ways to do that.
I think Qualifacts has been really responsive with our needs. If something hasn't met the needs that we have specific to our state or to our agency, has been able to give us some information about if and when that's going to be implemented.
And you hear the other software people with the different software vendors saying, we got to pay for this, we got to do that, we got to do that, and then to say, well, Credible has it, or Credible's working on it, or we don't have that issue with that, is kind of nice. Credible's flexible enough for us to add programs and do certain things.
With Qualifacts, our agency, Metropolitan Human Services District, is ready for CCBHC. Using Qualifacts helps us to meet all these goals and these expectations.
So I have been working at Qualifacts for 18 years. And so I've been here quite a while, and I will tell you, What I love most about it is our people. And we are so good as a company of setting a mission, setting our values, setting our strategies, and executing to that. And what I am most proud of is that we're working smarter versus harder. We truly now have the technology and the people that kind of converged through merger and acquisition activity, and we're taking the best of the people and the best of the technology, and we're leveraging that to bring value faster to our customers.
As we celebrate 25 years of partnership and community impact, we're excited to continue leading the behavioral healthcare industry forward.